Hey there, geometry students. Mr. Rising here, and this video is dedicated to a special student who wrote to me and said, what is up with all these reflections and trying to get something to transform back to itself? So that's what I want to do. I'm going to do a little example here. So I've just made a little piece of graph paper, a grid, and I drew a right triangle here, triangle ABC, up in quadrant 1, right over here. And then I also drew the line y equals x, because that plays into so many questions if you're trying to reflect over this this line. So the problem in question says, okay, would these transformations carry this figure back to itself? Well, let's walk through it. The first one is a reflection over the x-axis, which means it would go from here and flip over it down here. So I'm going to just draw it like this. And I make little sound effects. Get over it. There it is. All right, I'm going to go down. And roughly it's like that, and so that's A prime, B prime, and C prime. Sweet. So far, so good. The second reflection or transformation in this case is a reflection over y equals x. So basically what I'm saying is I'm going to take this across this line here, and it's going to end up over here. And again, it would be the same distance away. It would be, let's see if I can do this. And that's actually kind of making my brain hurt a little bit. It'd be like this. It'd be pretty close to that. All right, just bear with me. So this is going to be maybe tilted a little more. A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. There's my right angle. Close enough. Basically, if I folded the paper like that. Now, the third thing, if I'm trying to get it back to where it started, if I reflected it over the x-axis again, it would end up down here. And then the fourth one says, okay, reflect it over y equals x, and then it would just like flip over like that. That would not get you where you need to go. At this point, so step one was like reflect, and I guess these are all reflect over x. And then we did 2y equals x. The third one, what we need to do now is reflect over y. We're going to flip it over on this side. It's going to look like that. And again, this would be C triple prime, B triple prime, A triple prime. And then finally, I have to do y over x again, and that would take it back to itself. So the double reflection over x-axis is going to mess you up. We're doing x, y equals x, y equals x again, and that'll take you back to where you started. Hope that helps.